In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create or schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Simple and easy. So I'll be doing this on the app, but then if you're on a PC, you can follow it very much similar, the same interface. So when you launch your Microsoft Teams like this, you move to your activity and you can see schedule a meeting here. You just tap on that there. Good. And it's very simple. You add a title. That's the name of the meeting. So let's use our YouTube channel's name. Now let's come back. So you can see you can add participants. That's people that are going to join. If you already have them as your contact, that's if you work a job and then you have people in your job community, something like that. But then I'm not going to add anybody, and here we can just select the day and everything. That's the calendar here. So we tap on this here. We can change the date to any date of our choice. So today is 5th. Let's make it like 6th December, and then you change the time. So you tap on the time there to change it any time of your choice to, so there's a 30-minute meeting here. And you can tap on repeat if you want it to be repeated all the time, every day, every week or something like that. Yeah. And now you can add a location, you can add a description, and that's it. So description can be the agenda of the meeting. So let's say there's a corporate something, agenda of the meeting, blah, 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 you see, and then you tap on this correct here to save it. And that's it. And then you just tap on the correct there to create it. And here, and you can see there's the meeting I created. So we can just tap on it like this to expand it. Good. And now this is the link. So you can copy the link and then share it to anybody you want them to join. Simple and easy. You can cancel the event, and then you can also do couple settings too as well. The same if you are using a PC too as well. So that's it on how you create or schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.